Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is FRP or Fiber Reinforced Plastic. So first of all, let's understand what is FRP. Fiber Reinforced Plastic composite material has revolutionized the manufacturing industry. Fiber Reinforced Plastic or FRP is a composite material consisting of reinforcing fibers, thermosetting resins, and other materials such as fillers and pigments may also be present. It is used as an alternative to traditional materials such as steel, wood, aluminium, and concrete. Bakelite is considered the first fiber reinforced plastic. It is also known as fiber reinforced polymer composite plastic. Now let's discuss the benefits of fiber reinforced plastic or FRP. Benefits of FRP are as follows. It is lighter than most metals. It is anti-corrosion and waterproof. It has a high impact strength. It has a minimum maintenance cost and exceptional durability. It is impermeable to moisture, fungus, bacteria, etc. And it can be easily reused. Now let's discuss the application of FRP or fiber reinforced plastic. Application of fiber reinforced plastic is in following sectors: manufacturing sector, energy sector, aerospace, automobile, and other industrial sectors. Now moving on to some other important facts related to this. Fiber reinforced plastic composites also use fibers such as glass, carbon, basalt, and sometimes paper, wood or mica, etc. The material used as a polymer usually consists of vinyl ester or polyester, thermosetting plastics, or phenol formaldehyde. Now moving on to the practice question. With reference to fiber reinforced plastics, consider the following statements. 1. Bakelite was the first fiber reinforced plastic. 2. The application of fiber reinforced plastics ranges from manufacturing to automobile and aerospace. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? A. Only 1, B. Only 2, C. Both 1 and 2, or D. Neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.